Hi, mermaid friends. I'm Houston. And I'm Mia. We're going to play a guessing game today. Can you guess these planets? Let's find out. Which planet is the hottest? Is it Mars, Venus, Mercury, or Jupiter? That's right, it's Venus. Which planet has the biggest volcano? Is it Earth, Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn? That's on Mars. Which planet is farthest from the sun? Is it Uranus, Jupiter, Saturn, or Neptune? It's Neptune. Which planet is the smallest? Is it Mercury, Venus, Earth, or is it Mars? That one's Mercury. Which planet has water on its surface? Is it Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, or Earth? It's Earth. Which planet is the biggest? Is it Neptune, Jupiter, Mars, or Saturn? That's Jupiter. Which planet is the coldest? Is it Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, or Earth? That's Uranus. Which planet is also called the red planet? Is it Mars, Venus, Mercury, or Jupiter? It's Mars. Which planet has the most rings? Is it Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, or Uranus? Saturn, of course. Which planet is the windiest? Is it Mercury, Jupiter, Earth, or Neptune? It's Neptune. Which planet is almost the same size as Earth? Is it Mars, Neptune, Mercury, or is it Venus? That's right, it's Venus. You're doing great. There's only a few more left. Are you ready? Let's go. Which planet has a big red storm on it? Is it Mars, Venus, Jupiter, or Mercury? That one's Jupiter. Which planet orbits the fastest? Is it Mercury, Uranus, Neptune, or Saturn? That one's Mercury. Which planet has the most moons? Is it Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, or is it Mars? That's right, it's Saturn. You did awesome! It was so fun learning about planets with you today. We'll have another fun video up next week, so don't forget to visit us again soon for more fun games.